Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you a simple binary option strategy that is done without any indicators. Let's go. Well, as I say, today I want to teach you a trading method or a strategy that if you follow well, you can get good profits from it. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and send it to your friends. You can also ask your questions in the comment section. The link to register in this platform is also in the description below the video. Click on the link, get a demo account of $10,000 and start practicing and trading. Okay, let's go to today's video. Well, this strategy is a simple strategy that can be done without the use of indicators. In this strategy, our time of candles are 1 minute and our purchase time is floating 2 minutes. We have to trade in the direction of the trend. We have to find the trend, draw the trend line and enter the trade by counting the candles of the same color. Let me show you an example. Well, look at this uptrend. Excuse me. Okay. I have a trend line. If you look, the candles reversaled on this trend line and the chart returned from this part. When the candles reach the trend line again and the return is made, the retracement is done, we start counting the candles of the same color. 1, 2, and 3. And in the direction of the trend, we enter a 2 minutes trade and take our profit here. You can see it again here. Of course, it should be on trend line. 1, 2, 3. And here we get our profit. This strategy is very simple. You have to trade in the trends, trade in the direction of the trend, and on the swings. Look at this downtrend. You can draw the trend line here. It has already returned at this trend line relative to this seller's level, and I will start counting. 1, 2, 3. We enter the trade and we. So, find the trend, draw the trend line, and count the candles of the same color. Now, I will search in the market, find a few positions and trade with them so that this method becomes clear for you. Okay, you can see I have a trend line, a swing, and enter the trade for 2 minutes. Okay, I draw the trend line. You can see here one, 2, 3, and higher trade. Okay, we're looking for another opportunity. Again, if you look, our trend is downtrend. We have a trend line and seller's area. A trend reversal and swing, and here we start counting. We wait until the position is closed. Well, as you can see, if this trade was done is 1 minute, we would have lost this position. But the 2-minute trade caused the next candle to move down and we made a profit. Okay, dear friends, I will definitely post more trades with this strategy in the next videos. You should always trade in good market. Analysis, methods, and strategies do not work well in bad market charts. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and share it to your friends. Don't forget, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.